Welcome to the Planet Purl video tutorial, Reading Lace Charts, Part 2. So here we are, we've finished our first row, and now we're ready to work our even numbered or wrong side row, row number 2. So from the chart and the legend, you can see that if it's a clear box, it's knit on the right side, purl on the wrong side, and then the little dots are purl on the right side, knit on the wrong side. So we're going to work our way back from left to right, remembering that this chart shows what the stitches should look like on the right side. So we're doing the reverse on the wrong side. So the first two dots tell us that it should be purl on the right side, knit on the wrong side. So we're going to knit those first two actions. Then we're going to purl, that's the third box in, and then we are going to knit 6 stitches, because remember it's purl on the right side, so it's a knit on the wrong side. Now for a lot of lace patterns, it's either going to be purl all the way back if it's a stockinette stitch based lace, or it'll be knit all the way back if it's a garter stitch based lace. This one is a mix of both. So we have our 6 stitches done. And now, once again, we have 3 knit on the right side, purl on the wrong side, and it's a pattern, 6 and 3 and 6 and 3 until you get to the last 3 stitches on this row. So we're going to knit the 3, or purl the 3 and then knit the 6. Until we finished row 2. And you can see how the eyelets from the yarn overs of the first row are starting to show up. So now we've worked the first row, right to left. The second row, we worked left to right, and now we're going to the third row. And once again, we're moving right to left since we're working on the right side of the work. So we'll work each of these actions just like we did for the first row in part 1 of this lace chart video. So let's follow along the chart. We'll just knit a few stitches and then I'll show you what the first repeat looks like. So we're on row 3. So our first 3 actions, knit 3, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. And that's what we'll start with. So we're going to, remember we're working on the right side. So those clear boxes are knit actions. So we're going to knit the first 3 stitches. Yarn over. And then we'll do our slip, slip, knit. The first 5 actions on the chart. And here's what it looks like when we finish our first 6 rows, which is our first repeat. And you'll want to watch our video on how to use lifelines next, because this is the next thing you're going to do is put a lifeline in. But if you look at the chart, you'll see how the yarn overs line up in a upside down V, just like it does on the lace. So really the chart is a preview of what the lace will look like. And that's how you read a lace knitting chart. Paris is so excited she's going to go watch the next video. Come visit us soon at planetpurl.com.